Huawei DIY Backup Box V1 for Sun2000 KTL-L1 series. Open the Fusion Solar app. Log into using the installer account. Choose Device Commissioning. Connect to the WLAN hotspot of the solar inverter. On the home page, choose Settings Feature Parameters to set the below off-grid controls as follows. Note the off-grid will work even without a battery installed. Off-grid power depends on the current instantaneous solar power. If battery is installed, reserve some power. Shut down the inverter. Connect 2-wire cable to 5, ground, and 8, Di2+, pins of the communication connector. Important note. Make sure at the cable's other end, both wires are secured or isolated. Wires should not accidentally touch each other, as this could lead to an inverter damage if grid is present and inverter is connected on grid. (1) With enough solar production and a lighter load, 200-300 watts, manually disconnect the grid. 2. The inverter's LEDs 1 and 2 should transition from green to steady red. 3. Put the 5, ground, and 8, Di2+, pins in short several times. 1 and 2 LEDs are going to steady orange when off-grid. AC measured should stay as nominal grid voltage in off-grid mode. 4. At the end of the test, isolate back the 2 signal cable ends. Bring the grid power back on after. 5. The inverter will get back on grid after the specific recovery time. The recovery interval is being set in Fusion Solar app, while LEDs 1 and 2 will become steady green when back on grid. Even the power meter is not really necessary for off-grid mode. When the AC is connected on the load side, this will register the off-grid production through the management system. Note, if load gets higher than solar production, on an inverter without battery, a chirping noise will come from inverter and this will shut down. For battery inverter, make sure that load stays lower than inverter specific max battery power. Not tested for cascaded inverters. Use it on your own risk.